Hey, hi everyone. Let's see now how to install Node.js. So basically, in order to work with Playwright, we have to install Node.js because Playwright is built on top of Node.js. So we need to install Node.js first to in order to work with the Playwright. Let's see how to install Node.js. Just open a Chrome and type install Node.js. Click on downloads here. In my case, I'm choosing Windows installer because I'm using Windows. So depends upon your system configuration. You can choose the installer here. Let's wait for some time to download. Depends upon the network, it might take some time. So in your case, it might get installed quickly. I think let's open downloads once. Yeah, it seems it's installed, but it's showing it as already installed. Yeah, it's installed. Open the downloads and try running it. We don't need to follow any rules, just follow like just click next and install. Say yes. After installation, we have to add Node.js path to system environment variable. I will show you how to add that. Yeah, click on finish. And now, as I said, like we have to add the Node.js path to system environment variables. So it will be installed on program files and Node.js. Just copy this path and open the properties of this PC. Here click on advanced system settings and click on environment variables. In the path section, we need to add like this. In capital letters, we have to give the variable name node_home, and we have to path the path of the Node.js and click OK, so that we can access Node.js from command prompt. Like if I open a command prompt, now I can check the version of Node.js. sorry, it's not Node.js, it's a Node-v. Yeah, now we can install Playwright. Let's see, in coming video we'll see how to install Playwright. Thank you for watching.